In this section, we're going to show you how to take your the top 100,000 products or any of the subcategory lists and use them with tactical arbitrage. So here we're going to show you how to reverse search between sourcing secret and take those lists and put them into the reverse search. So that will let you see if anything on the top selling lists are available at any of the retail stores, the 500 or so stores that Tactical Arbitrage supports. So super simple to get your files. We've made them very easy to integrate with Tactical Arbitrage. So we're just going to select any category. I'm just going to go with toys, but obviously this will work with any of them, and you click download. When the download page comes up, all you need is the first set of files. Tactical Arbitrage has a limit of 25,000 lines, so we've gone ahead and split those up into 25,000 lines for you. So all you need is these first 4 files. You can also subscribe to them and get them to your mailbox every day as they're updated every 24 hours. You'll get an email once a day with all your subscriptions. All you have to do is either get those subscriptions out of your mailbox or just download any of these files. You can click on them. You don't need the full data files. All you need is this list right here. The very first one's the CSV files. So this is going to download the top 25,000 products and toys. Then the next one would be, 25,001 to 50,000 and so on. So we downloaded our file. We're just going to go over here to reverse search, and then we're going to, you can set your filters however you normally do, but what we're going to do is use the import bulk product codes and click on upload new file. Then all we have to do is choose this new file, this toys list that we just downloaded, which is right here. So we're just going to go ahead and open that, and we see it's loaded, and as I just said, the maximum number of rows you can upload in the bulk list is 25,000, so anything over that it's just going to skip anyway, so that's why we split it up. And then we're going to hit upload, and then it's going to recognize which ones are which. So it already knows there's no UPC, and we have a list of ASINs right there. So all we have to do here is hit upload, and it will take a minute or two, or a few seconds in this case, to upload. It is 25,000 lines it has to import, so it does take a few moments depending on how busy Tactical Arbitrage is, and then all you have to do is set your filters. You don't have to worry about any of this other stuff. You can use your, I'm just going to use our last search filters, and you set those however you want to. Obviously, I kind of keep it kind of loose. Profit of $2 or more, ROI of at least 40%. If you want 50%, put in 40. Always go a bit lower than what you really want to accept, and always show Amazon out of stock results. That's going to show items that are sold out by Amazon and FBA and merchant fulfilled sellers, because Amazon will suppress those because they don't want to show products that aren't available for the customer to buy. But we want to see those because those are the most awesome ones, because if we can source them and they have a rank and nobody else has sold them, then that's definitely what we want. So just a couple tips there, and then hit the search button, and it's going to start searching all those with the filters that you have. And that's about it for that. Now, it's going to work the same way. We're going to hit back over here in Sourcing Secret, and I'm going to select toys one more time, but we can select subcategories. And then the subcategories, it's the top 10,000 products in any subcategory, so you can go dive as deep as you want. I know Tactical Arbitrage does have an automated one where you can do that, but we go as deep as you want, and I think we may have a little bit more there, because with Tactical Arbitrage, we're only going to have it only goes, I believe, it goes 5 deep, so the main category and 4 subcategories. So with us, we go as deep as it goes. So it can go. I've seen some that are 9, 10 subcategories deep. So all you have to do here is select your main category, select your subcategory, and then you can dive as deep down as you want. I think it was 3 or 4 deep already. And then you can scroll up to the top or scroll down to the bottom and click on download. And it's going to bring up the download page. And then once again, you do the same thing. You just click on it and hit download. You can subscribe. If you want to see the extended data, you can see that as well. You hit request, and then it'll email that extended data file to you as soon as it's through processing. So that's about it. Same process for subcategories as main categories. And we'll see you in the next video.